How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create a pattern in Photoshop. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply customize your pattern the way you want to. In my case, I've set this simple flower pattern right here, or flower picture. And then I've also added this onto the side to demonstrate how powerful this tool is. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to View, and then you want to click on the pattern preview. From there, it will then show up like this. Now, of course, you can customize your pattern the way you want to. Maybe you want some overlapping images. Let's go ahead and edit this out. Let's do something like make it bigger. And then it will then go ahead and show up like this. Now, of course, your pattern can overlay if you want to, but you can then adjust this according to the pattern that you want to achieve. You need to click on the check button, click edit, and then you want to look for the define pattern option. So it's going to be at the bottom right here. Click define pattern. You can name your pattern the way you want to. And if you navigate through the patterns category, you will be able to see that right here. Now you can also see that, I believe, on the pattern overlay. So it's going to be right here. And then we will be able to see the pattern that we just made. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.